When you need a good amount of time to answer discussion questions, we highly recommend you compose your answer in Microsoft Word and save a Word file on your computer. Then copy your answer from Microsoft Word to a discussion forum. This tutorial shows you how to copy your answer from a Word file to a discussion forum. Click on Discussions link on the course menu. Click on the forum's title to enter the forum. Your professor may set up the forum to allow students to post a message first before you see others' messages. Click on Create Thread to open the message window. Enter the message subject line in subject box. Minimize the Blackboard window. Locate your Word file. Double-click on the file to open. Highlight your answer. Select Copy. You may also use Ctrl and C keys on your keyboard to copy the text. Go back to Blackboard by clicking on the Blackboard tab. Go to the message box, right-click on the message box and select Paste. You may also use Ctrl-V keys on your keyboard to paste the text. Click on Remove Formatting when prompted. Click on Submit. Your message will be displayed as the first message. To read the message you just posted, click on the subject line of the message.